Well, good morning, this is John. Today I'm going to go flying the ZINO drone. We haven't drawn it for a while, we haven't flown it for a while. So let's set it up and take it out for a flight. I've had this drone for about 3 or 4 years now. It's a good drone, big, so it's wind resistant. Here we go. And the first thing to do is to turn on the TX, the controller here. Then after you do that, we turn on the drone itself by pressing that button, twirling it till it makes a funny noise. There you go. And you'll see the lights flashing across here. And they'll go solid once it connects. There you go. It's actually connected there. Now, next thing we want to do is we want to put the phone attached to the controller via this USB. Download your Hubsan app. After you've done that, you can go to enter device and then enter main device. Follow the instructions here. It says that we are ready to fly at the top of the screen here, but I think first we're going to have to do some calibration. Click the toothed wheel on the top right of the screen. It takes you into this area. Go down to the fan and then go to horizontal calibration. Click that, and on the top of the screen it says ready to fly. Then it'll say system initializing, so that's what it's doing now. Once you've done that, you can go to the next part, which is compass calibration. It's in that at the bottom on that fan shaped icon. There we go. Compass calibration. There we go, it's telling you to do that. So, next thing you do is you turn this round until the phone tells you to stop. Just turn it round like that. And you see that? There you go. And then we'll go vertically and turn the drone vertically till it tells you to stop. There we go, it looks like we've got something happening there. Once ready to fly, you should be able to pull out these joysticks and it'll take off. Don't press automatic fly, do it with the joystick. It was difficult to get the drone to move in time to the music, but after a bit of practice I finally got it. I really like the warm tones of the camera in this drone. I've got it set for 2.7K at the moment, and foolishly I'm flying towards the sun, so I'm going to be getting some glare. Not a smart idea, I'll remember that for the future. This is a case of point and shoot camera. Even though it has lots of adjustments in the app itself, I prefer just to leave it on automatic, and it's capturing this hazy shade of winter here, I would say, very well. And now we're going to fly over this field, which is full of wildlife. I'm sure I've seen deer here, I've seen coyotes, you know, there's rabbits live here. It's like everything's like a little wildlife preserve. I like it myself, though it's very untidy, it still has its own charm. Once we get up in the air, it's truly astounding to see how many trees are out here. the Great Northwest is so many forests, especially if you go up to like Mount Hood, the lodge at Mount Hood, and you look out and all you can see is trees. Trees for miles upon miles upon miles as far as the eye can see. And even in Portland there's still tons of trees here, especially on the mountains. And that will certainly help with air pollution, because we know that trees take in carbon dioxide and put out oxygen. There you go. I really appreciate you watching this video. I'll see you again.